Ever stared at a mountain of cryptocurrency exchanges, unsure of which to choose? You're not alone. Today, we face off two giants, Gemini and Binance. Both offer gateways to the exciting world of crypto, but which reigns supreme? Buckle up, crypto comrades, because we're diving deep into features, fees, security, and that ever-important question, which one suits you best? Safety first, Fort Knox or Swiss Bank? Let's face it, security in the crypto world is paramount. Losing your hard-earned Bitcoin is akin to leaving your Lamborghini parked on the street with the keys in the ignition. So, how do these exchanges stack up? Gemini boasts a fortress-like reputation. They're the brainchild of the Winklevoss twins, synonymous with squeaky clean regulation. Gemini is a New York trust company, meaning they undergo rigorous banking audits. They also hold your crypto in segregated custody, separate from their own funds, adding an extra layer of protection. Binance, on the other hand, has a slightly murkier past. Founded in China, they've navigated regulatory hurdles, shifting headquarters multiple times. While they've improved security measures significantly, some crypto enthusiasts remain wary. Fee fiesta, friend or foe? Fees are the gremlins in the crypto machine, silently munching away at your profits. Here's where things get interesting. Gemini charges a flat maker-taker fee structure, which can be appealing for beginners. However, these fees can be higher compared to Binance's tiered system, which rewards high-volume traders with lower fees. Binance offers a dizzying array of trading options, from spot trading to margin trading. This flexibility comes at a cost, though. Their fee structure can be complex for newcomers, and navigating all those options might feel overwhelming. CoinCamp, who's got the goods? Imagine a virtual supermarket that's a crypto exchange. So, what kind of groceries are we talking about here? When it comes to coin selection, Gemini keeps things tight. They focus on reputable, established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This curated approach fosters trust, especially for risk-averse investors. Binance, however, is a crypto smorgasbord. They offer a mind-boggling variety of coins, including established players and fledgling startups. This vast selection caters to experienced traders who relish the opportunity to unearth hidden gems. But with a wider selection comes the risk of encountering volatile, less established coins. User interface, friend or foe? A user-friendly interface is crucial for a smooth crypto experience. Imagine trying to decipher hieroglyphics while navigating $1 million investment. Not ideal. Gemini boasts a clean, intuitive interface, perfect for beginners. It's easy to navigate, find the information you need, and make trades with minimal fuss. Think of it as a well-organized grocery store with clear signage. Binance interface caters more towards experienced traders. It's packed with features and charts, offering a powerful toolbox for in-depth analysis. However, this complexity might leave beginners feeling lost in a sea of data. The verdict: there is no one ring to rule them all. So, is there a clear winner? The answer, like most things in crypto, is, it depends. Choose Gemini if you prioritize security and regulation. You're a beginner seeking a user-friendly experience. You prefer a curated selection of established coins. Choose Binance if you're an experienced trader seeking advanced features. You crave a wide variety of coins, including new and emerging ones. You appreciate the potential for lower fees with high trading volume. Ultimately, the best exchange is the one that aligns with your specific needs and risk tolerance. Do your research, consider your investment goals, and don't be afraid to experiment. Remember, diversification is key. You can always have accounts on both platforms. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.